You're obstructing government business.
Shut your mouth. You don't even know what you're talking about right now. Everything y'all doing is against y'all policy right now. He should have never did that. I was minding my business. He started some shit. You always gotta have a in the crew. They wanna act like they know something.
Stay on the sidewalk.
Shut your
What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network. Today's your guys' host, Nate Skates 182, bringing to you guys today a newer and smaller channel. This one is going by the name of Cameras Protect Rights and is brought to you out of the New York area. In this video, he is filming an extortion stop on the road that is widely known around the states called DUI safety checkpoints. Cities and states around the US set these up around different parts of the city in attempts to extort massive amounts of funds out of the people. But as he is filming this video, he has a couple officers try to tell him to back up and keep walking. Actually, one that just feels the need to flex some sort of authority. But this man does an outstanding job standing up for his naturally born protected rights. I want you guys to go ahead and check this out and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Of course, the original video and channel link will be down below in the description as well as the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you at the end of the video.
illegal checkpoint, East Tremont Avenue.
Come on, just keep it moving.
Nah, this is a public sidewalk. You know that's against your policy, right? Let me get your name and badge number. Name and badge number, boss. You started some shit right now. You should have never did that. I was minding my business. Should have never did that.
You're obstructing government business.
Shut your mouth. You don't even know what you're talking about right now. Everything y'all doing is against y'all policy right now. He should have never did that. I was minding my business. He started some shit. You always gotta have a dickhead in the crew. They wanna act like they know something.
Stay on the sidewalk.
Shut your fucking mouth, stupid bitch. Fucking dickhead over here. Don't know what he's talking about, what he's doing. Wanna be the first one to open his mouth. What you think about that, Sarge? He should have never opened his mouth, right? You gonna have a talk with him later about that, Sarge? You mind if I get your name and badge number?
Yes, it's 5099 Hardy.
Thank you. Bozo over there. It's going right to YouTube. Bozo. Hey, Bozo. Got a safety check going on. They got the cones right here in the process. But they still not following their policy. You know. We gotta stop them. We're the only ones that's gonna be able to do this. If we don't do this, nobody else will. Same way we got rules to follow, they got rules to follow. As you can see, they don't have no more cones in front. They just got 3 cones right here. You know, it was a quadruple shooting in the corner. So, you know, drivers that's driving by wouldn't know that there's a checkpoint going on. And they're gonna, you know, stop them, check if they got everything's good. Right after the holidays, don't got nothing else to do, you know. Badge number for the camera?
Fernandez, badge number 9738.
Thank you.
Should be 9387, I apologize.
I want them to say that I'm obstructing, so I'm gonna ask him for his later. And he's not, you know, even though it looked like he's not doing nothing. Sarge, so this is a safety checkpoint? Huh, Sarge? Excuse me, Sarge. This is a safety checkpoint, Sarge? Okay. Because if this is a safety checkpoint, they're still doing things wrong. Still not, you know what I mean? Anyway, y'all can look it up. It's in the penal code. If you put the cones in the middle where they could see them where they're supposed to be, you know, that's what happens when you do things wrong.
All the good stuff, man.
That time of year, you know.
Yeah, it's that type of year, man. Exactly, bro. Exactly.
To get real drunk.
Hey, man. As long as you have a good time, bro. That's all that matters, right? Just stay safe. That's the most important thing I can say. Stay safe. Happy holidays to you and your fam.
Do you guys see how kind that officer is being to this driver that they're about to violate? From my perspective, I kind of look at this as almost a coercion tactic to those who are unaware of their rights. Not that I believe that they should be rude and disrespectful as they usually are, but I can assure you that you won't get this kind of demeanor and attitude from an officer if you're attempting to document and expose any wrongdoing that may occur. Not that we ever don't, but it is rare. And that is exactly why I believe the assistant supervisor was not willing to answer any questions being asked other than his name and badge number. I personally think it definitely has a lot to do with the large ego that we see a majority of cops have. Otherwise, I honestly wouldn't understand why they would have such a disdain for those filming them. Keep watching, folks.
Alright, man. Stay safe, brother. A little bit, I'm gonna let right there, alright? Anytime, man. Good to go. Let me know.
Glad I got this content right now. I haven't been on my YouTube channel in a long time. See what they doing is illegal. This is the example y'all setting for the kids, man. You think that's a good example?
All we want is for everybody to sit.
You think messing with this cab driver that's been working hard, think that got to do anything with safety? Shit's corny.
How's your day going?
My night is good now that I got this footage.
Wonderful, man. Happy holidays to you.
Good.
Enjoy making that bread. Good night, sir.
Let me guess, the tints?
Excuse me, sir, can you put down all the windows, please?
Sergeant's writing down the plates. He's writing down the plate, obviously. He takes the pictures.
Is there anybody else in the back or no? Okay, that's fine. Just want to make sure. Like, what part? Guys, we stop if you go to the checkpoint safety, something for everybody driving safely, they have insurance, that's pretty much it. That's a good to go by them, right? Huh? Unfortunately, yes. I understand. Sorry. You can put some of those on the top. That's good.
I'm glad you know this is legal, what I'm doing. For the record, miss, it's a First Amendment audit. I can record. He also took pictures of your license plate, so he took pictures of your license plate.
It's just, so pretty much what we're doing, we have to take this to the license plate, like license, and like registration, stuff like that, just so we can report that we made the stop here, everything was there. That's it.
I'm actually here for your protection. Just thank me later on YouTube.
Also, I'll throw for this before I finish before the safety checkpoint, right? Like any license registration and proof of insurance. You have your permit? I'm trying to help you so you can find that out. Don't worry about it. You have a picture of your permit? Let me take a look at that. That's the problem. We stopped today, we're doing checkpoint safety, so we're trying to see if people are driving safe home. While you're being.
Oye, mira al otro güey. Te van a llevar preso.
I got you, bro.
Look at this. Look how they got trim on, bro. Look at how they obstructing traffic.
Just be careful, you got a permit, so. Huh? I don't think we need to go that far. I think we're good to go. Just make sure next time you have someone with a license on you, okay? Next time, you gotta have somebody here. Nah, I got you, bro. Nah, I got you, brother. Nah, you good to go, man. Just be careful when you're pulling out over here, okay? It could go a different way, alright? Just be careful when you're pulling out right over here. That too. That too. Keep that on too. I got you, boy. I got you, boy. But still, man. Yo, happy holiday, brother. Everybody's safe and everything like that. You have your license, registration, and insurance. I'm gonna stop this car and then.
If you guys enjoyed this one, I want you to go ahead and leave your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. As you guys seen, they did let the last car they stopped that this man caught on film go. If I'm not mistaken, I heard they had no driver's license. And this wouldn't be the first time where someone would roll up on an officer harassing someone and then all of a sudden back off. That is the pure definition of a community sticking up for each other and holding your public officials accountable. Make sure you guys go show some support to the original channel, Cameras Protect Rights, and let them know San Joaquin News Network sent you. Of course, if you guys haven't yet already, please do be sure to hit the like and subscribe, as well as the bell notifications icon for future content. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.